So I've pulled the mower up to the roof just to get underneath and have a look at these blades. Make sure that they're moving around. And the edge there's it's a bit burred over, so I need to get the grinder onto it and touch that up. Otherwise this one's okay. But this one, it's fairly free. Just looking there, I can see a bit of a crack. I'm going to have to do something about that. I might have to swap it out for one of the other old ones. It's quite large. Don't want that flying off or even getting into my rear tyre and getting a puncture off of that. So I'll change that out. I'll take a few measurements and order a pair of new blades to add on to it as well. With a bit of luck they'll probably turn up in a couple of days or something like that. So I've actually been out using the sickle bar mower a bit as well, and kind of ended up getting a bit of a flat tyre. I didn't notice it quick enough and ended up, well, as you can see here, tubes ended up sticking out the side and made a bit of a mess of the actual tyre. It's all falling to pieces just because it's so brittle. It started to crumble. So I went over and saw my good neighbour and happened to have a tyre there that was going to do the job. So this is pretty much as far as the tractor got. When I noticed the tyre had gone flat, I just parked here and took it all off, dropped the mower to the ground, and like I said, pulled the wheel off. And this is the new tyre on the rim. It's got plenty of tread on it. So just give it a bit of a spin, make sure it's pulled up to the drum, make sure it's pulled up to the drum properly. We've got to jack it up a bit and pull the jack out. It's got to go up a bit to get the axle stand out of underneath. And I've got a few boards under here as well. Right, should be able to just lower it down now. So this is how well this actually ended up working out. Let's come over here and have a look at this. You see the tread on the tyre. And on the side here it's got 11.2.28. Now the exciting part is around the other side here. Look at this. It's the same. It's 11.2.28 as well. So they're the same tyre. So that was really cool to be able to match up those tyres after all this time as well. I mean, you know, the chances of getting a second-hand tyre that's the same, I thought that's pretty lucky. So when I was sorting out the tyre, the new blades actually turned up and I was able to get into town and bring them home and fit them onto the slasher. So here they are. This is one of the new blades. Matches up with the old ones, the same shape and everything. Spin this a bit more. You see the old blade come around, sharpened up, and then back to the other new one. Bolt on the top up there has been replaced, and there's the other older one. So the paddock is actually quite bumpy, so I'm sort of just going at a slow pace, and just keeping everything comfortable, making sure nothing breaks. I've already taken a stop as well, just to check the bolts, make sure nothing's coming loose. So you can hear the tractor revving here. It's in the PTO rev range, and I've got it in second low, just to keep it comfortable and try to mulch it up as much as I can, considering I haven't got a side plate on the left hand side there. Okay, so here we go. Paddock's mostly mowed. There's a bit out the back I've got to finish off, but that's what it's given me. It's cutting it way more than it has been with the two old blades. Now that it's got the four there, this is what we get. It's definitely a big improvement from how it's been cutting with the way it was. And this is the rest of the paddock all done. Part that I've already cut and showed just there, different angle though. And then to the side here where I've just finished off. So it's all cut now. And I'll see you on the next episode.